Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with an American Bill Money review. And I know I've been gone for quite some time, but I am back, and I just wanted to let people know that American Bill Money still works and the company is still around. They are still paying out weekly, and I am still having results with this program. For those that don't know, I've been with American Bill Money since May of 2017, and I love the opportunity. It's a postcard program. The program itself has been around since 2003. American Bill Money has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. They pay out $75 in commissions for each person that comes into your downline. And this is a great postcard program. And I've been in several other programs, and this is the one by far that I've been able to earn with consistently online, just utilizing some simple strategies offline and online and doing that on a consistent basis. So for the week of, well, in December, my checks had gotten wet, but I had received a $900 payment from American Bill Money. Here's the check that I received. And, you know, like I said, these commissions have been weekly, and they do fluctuate based on the time of the year, you know, how much you make and earn, but it is consistent enough for you to have a full-time income utilizing postcards. Okay, does it work overnight? No, but it is a wonderful opportunity, and it's a way that you can earn consistently and leave your full-time job. Just being a reputable company, it's a debt-free company. The owner is very hands-on. It's one of those opportunities that you will earn and you can be successful with. So if you want more information about American Bill Money, my description is in, my link is in the description below. You can also reach out to me on Facebook. My email, my phone number is there as well if you want more information or want to know how to get started. It is $125 to get started with this program, but that is really a low cost for you to have a business from home that can allow you to bring in consistent signups, consistent sales on a weekly basis. So thanks so much for watching my video. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more information about this great opportunity. So thanks a lot, and have a great day.